Once upon a time, in a distant kingdom, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was known for his kindness, and he always tried to help others in need. One day, while exploring the outskirts of the kingdom, he stumbled upon a hidden path that led to a mysterious garden. This garden was unlike any other, for it was enchanted with magical creatures and vibrant, talking flowers. As Oliver entered the garden, he was greeted by a wise old turtle named Terence. "Welcome, dear child. This is the Enchanted Garden of Harmony," said Terence with a gentle smile. "But beware, for the harmony of this magical land depends on the choices you make." Oliver was curious and eager to explore the wonders of the Enchanted Garden. As he walked further, he encountered 3 magical doors, each leading to a different part of the garden. Above each door hung a sign with a moral lesson. The first door had a sign that read, "Choose kindness." Intrigued, Oliver opened the door and found himself in a meadow filled with fluffy bunnies and playful squirrels. The creatures were shy at first, but Oliver's kindness and gentle nature soon won them over. He spent the day playing with the animals, and as he left the meadow, the door sparkled with approval. The second door had a sign that said, "Embrace differences." Oliver hesitated for a moment, then opened the door to find himself in a glade where magical beings of various shapes and sizes lived together. Despite their differences, they lived in harmony, sharing their unique abilities with one another. Oliver learned the importance of accepting others just as they are, and the door glowed with approval as he moved on. Finally, the third door had a sign that declared, "Protect the environment." Oliver opened the door and entered a breathtaking forest filled with ancient trees and sparkling streams. The creatures of the forest depended on the balance of nature, and Oliver realized the importance of caring for the environment. He picked up litter, planted seeds, and ensured the well-being of the magical ecosystem. As Oliver returned to the entrance of the garden, he was met by Terence, who spoke, "Dear Oliver, you have shown kindness, embraced differences, and protected the environment. The Enchanted Garden of Harmony is grateful for your choices." With those words, the garden bestowed upon Oliver a magical seed. He planted it in the kingdom, and from it grew a tree that bore fruits of kindness, acceptance, and environmental stewardship. The kingdom flourished as the lessons from the Enchanted Garden of Harmony spread far and wide. And so, the story of Oliver and the Enchanted Garden teaches us that by choosing kindness, embracing differences, and protecting the environment, we can create a world filled with harmony and magic.